Hello dear students, in my previous lecture I have discussed about the array command and offset command. Now today we are going to discuss join command and break command. So when you click on this small arrow, you will get the option of break and join. So break command is used when a single object is broken into a two different components. If there is a line and if you want to break it, then you can break with the help of break command, and with the help of join command you can join that break line. So how we do it, let's see. So for that I am drawing a line. This is the line, and I am also taking a rectangle. This is a rectangle, and I am also drawing a circle. So first of all, I will break these components with the help of break command, and then I will again rejoin them by using join command. So for that I have to go to this modify bar, then I have to select break from here. The shortcut key for the break is BR. So click on this icon. Now you have to select the object in such a way that from which you want to break the line. If you want to break the line from this point, so click here. Now you have to specify the second point up to which you have to break this line. So I have to break it up to this point. So in this way a line can be breaked in two parts by using break command. To operate the similar command that you have used previously, press enter. Again join command starts. Now I have to break this line of the rectangle. Now I have to select the line from the point from which I have to start the break command. So I have selected that point, and I have to click on the second point on which I have to stop the breaking of the line, that is like this. If I want to break a circle, then I can also break a circle. I have to select the circle at the point from which I have to start breaking it. Now, sorry, I have to go to break command. Then I have to select the circle from which I want to break the circle. Suppose this is the point from which I want to break the circle, and up to this point I want to break it. So now the circle has been break in this way. So in this way we can use the break command in AutoCAD. Now I can join these points with the help of join command. So for that I have to go to this symbol. This is the symbol of join command, or I can type J, enter in command line. So I am selecting join command from this. Now select the object which you want to join. So you have selected it, then press enter. So in this way the line again get joined. If you click on line, it is a single line that you have drawn previously. So this is how the join command works. And if you want to join this line, what will happen? If you click on this rectangle, I have make this rectangle with the rectangle command, so it will select it totally. Now for that, what I have to do for joining this rectangle part, what I have to do, I have to draw a line from this point to this point. Okay, now I press escape from line command. Now I have to select again join command, and I have to select the object which is to be joined and the other source object, and press enter. Now if I click on this rectangle, now you can see that this is a complete rectangle. Okay, so this part which I have braked with the help of break command, now can be rejoined with the help of join command. And if you want to join this circle, so first of all, you have to complete this circle with the help of arc. So I am completing this circle by using R command. Now what I have to do, I have to again select join command. Then I have to select the parts which I have to join. I have to join this arc and this circle, then enter. Okay, now it will ask you that combine arc segment for a circle, convert to circle. Yes. Now you can click on it. You can see that it is a complete circle. Okay, which I have break previously, and now again I have rejoined with the help of join command. So this is how the break command and join command works in AutoCAD. So today's lecture is over. Thank you so much and have a nice day.